Are you in need to export emails from Exchange Mailbox to PDF? Introducing SysTools Exchange Export Tool. Secure solution to export Exchange Mailboxes to PDF format. Key features of the software. Exchange Export Tool. Export Exchange emails from Mailbox into PDF. The software provides option to date filter to export email data from the specified date range. Load users into tool via Fetch Users or Import CSV file option. Exchange Export Tool provides naming convention option to save resultant MSG files. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools Exchange Export Tool. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. Select Exchange as a source platform, and PDF as destination platform. Select the category under the workload selection. You can perform the date-based selective export of the mailbox data using Date Range Filter option. After applying Date Filter, click on Next button. Enter all the required Exchange server details. If you want to export the data from the subdomain of Exchange server, then select the Include Subdomain option. Now, click on the Validate button to ensure that correct permissions are given to the account. After validating, the permissions will be granted to the source user. Now click on Next button. Browse the backup folder path to set the destination where the PDF file will be saved. Choose the naming convention in which you want to save resultant PDF files. Click on the Validate button to ensure permissions are assigned. Once the permissions are validated, click on the Next button. On the user's screen, there are several ways in which you can add users from the source account that needs to be processed. Click on Fetch Users option. This operation will fetch user from configured source account pops up. Click on Continue to continue the process, otherwise you can close by clicking on Close option. The list of users is now displayed on the screen. You can search for a particular mailbox and select that user to export data. There is a Show Selected toggle bar that will show only selected users in the list. Click on Validate to authorize selected user source account. Once the users are validated, click on OK button. After the validation is successfully completed, click on Start Export button to start the export process. The software will check your license quota and provide details. Click Start to finally start the process. You can also stop export process if required while the export is in progress. Once the export process is completed, you can see the mailboxes under Completed tab. After successful export, click on Download Report. The tool provides two options for downloading the reports. The summary report will be a single CSV file containing export reports of all the selected users for export. In the detailed report, you get the option to save the detailed export report of the mailboxes you want to. Select the mailbox and click on Download button. Rerun export option is also provided in order to perform the export again. Retry failed items, rerun full export and delta export. Open the destination location where you saved your exported data, and you will see PDF file. Click on Email. Select on the desired email folder. Choose the PDF file you wish to view. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.